Hey, it's me, Gareth, and Janet up ahead there, and we are in Stornoway, Scotland. And we are taking the trail into town. You can get a shuttle bus for free, or you can take a 2-mile trail through the forest. So we opted for forest trail. How's that view? Look at that tree up there. Do you see that tree up ahead? I mean, I think it's dead. Look at this misty forest here. Anyway, we're about halfway on the trail. It's 2 miles from the deep water port, as they call it, into town. And the town is Stornoway, Scotland, on the Isle of Lews, in the Outer Hebrides. Is that enough info for you? Is it coming back to life? No, those are other plants growing on it.
Oh, wow.
This one's still alive. So that's a giant rhododendron, I think. The whole trail wasn't in the forest. We started out in the open with little tiny pine trees all around. But then the last half here has been thick forest. The road is paved, but there's pieces missing. I can see the water down there in the harbor. I can hear boats and whatnot. We should be coming up to a castle. Lews Castle. Oh, dog troubles. I see stairs over there in the forest. Hello.
Hi.
Well, that's hi in dog. Or hello. See this fern growing on a tree stump? So I see a green gate, wrought iron gate.
And stairs.
And this says, well, I'll let you read it. Matheson Memorial, Sunken Garden, and Cuddy Point. So this is a big fuchsia plant. And well, the trail goes on. So the trail goes off that way. But this caught my eye. Somebody's planted some flowers here. Matheson and China. Okay. The other was Scottish, I guess. This is interesting. King Charles III coronation. 6th of May 2023. Huh. Long live the king. I wonder what they're protecting this from. now we're off the trail we were on originally, so I'm thinking we need to get back on it. I'm thinking it's right here. So there's the city of Stornoway, and this is Lews Castle. We're going to walk up to the front of it and see what happens. It's coming out that door.
If you want to ride, they'll take you on that.
That is not the correct.
Look at that.
I wouldn't get out. Very uneven wooden floor here.
Hey, hello.
Lots of people. Lots of people. That's the toilet. I mean, it's free to come in, but you can only come in a couple of rooms. They are big rooms.
The museum. It's that one.
And sunny rooms. But just a couple. So we're going to go back outside and head into town.